Yung ating mga nagagandang kandidata.
So once again, may we have candidate number 13, candidate number 4, candidate number 16, 7, and candidate number 12.
Okay, so kayo apat, backward muna kayo.
Backward.
Ayan, candidate number 13, do your own rap.
Strike your best pose. Candidate number 13.
Yes. Next candidate, candidate number 4. For the final look, people and judges. Number 16. Number 7. Number 12. Okay, so for the fourth runner-up, may I call on Mr. and Mrs. David Cable, Angeline Soluta, fourth runner-up, Miss Teen 2010. Okay, so candidates, please step backward. Right, sa likod. Ayan, okay, so candidates, hawak kamay. Ito na po, bubuksan ko na ang resulta for the Miss Teen fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up goes to candidate number. Candidate number
16. Congratulations, candidate number 16.
Once again, may I call on the presenters, Mr. and Mrs. David Cable, and Julian Saluda, fourth runner-up, Miss Teen Parigid 2010. The third runner-up, the presenters, may I call on Mrs. Linda Uson, Mr. Jerome Austria, Miss Christine Tabangay, third runner-up, Miss Teen 2010. And the third runner-up goes to candidate number 7. Partner for the second runner-up.
Yes, and for the second runner-up, may we have the presenters, Ms. Saibel Contemplate, Honorable Kagawad J-Roll Rojas, and Ms. Rachel Rio Estoman, the second runner-up of Miss Teen 2010. And the second runner-up, partner goes to...
Candidate number 12. Of course, partner, kung sino po,
Moment of truth.
yes, of course, kung sino yung i-announce mo, the first runner-up, at kung sino yung matitira sa kanila dyan, automatic po yung matitira dyan, siya ang pinanghal ng Miss Teen Paniki 2011.
Yes. Right, and for the first runner-up, may we have the presenters of the award. Miss Luz Marie Cesista, Miss Elora Taigon, and Miss Loris Tayag, the first runner-up Miss Teen 2011.
And may I also call on the presenters for the Miss Teen Panigi 2011, Mr. Severino Pangilinan and Miss Abigail Balix for Miss Teen Panigi 2010. They are going to award the Miss Teen Panigi 2011.
And the first runner-up goes to...
Candidate number 17. Wala. Excited. Excited kayo. Ha? Okay, don't forget, May 23 to 27, headed by Governor Victor Yap, na araw ng lalawigan ng Tarlac, 138th founding anniversary. The first runner-up goes here, candidate number. Thank you and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Candidate number 4. Congratulations, the Miss Teen Panigi 2011. Candidate number 14.
Yes, congratulations! Wow, confetti.
This is the Miss Teen Panigi 2011. Thank you very much and good morning. See you all again next year for the Miss Teen Panigi 2012. And I'm your host, Besok Sena. We're gonna read.
And Romina Olonan, maraming salamat po to our board of judges. Thank you po for gracing this affair to us. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Partner, thank you. Partner, thank you.
Thank you po. YMS students, ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you very much, Mr. Ferch Perez.